Hello everyone! Today, I'd like to talk about my favorite snack food. My favorite snack is potato chips. Potato chips are very crispy and usually a little bit salty. They come in many different flavors, like cheese or barbecue, but I usually like the original salty ones. I like potato chips very much because they are so tasty and crunchy. It's fun to eat them. They make me feel happy and satisfied, especially when I'm a little bit hungry. I usually eat potato chips in the afternoon after school. Or sometimes in the evening while I'm watching TV or a movie. I often share them with my friends when we play together. I know potato chips are not super healthy, so I try not to eat too many. But they are definitely my favorite quick snack for a fun time. So good. Thanks for watching, everyone! Hello! My favorite snack is chocolate. Chocolate is usually sweet and smooth. It comes in different kinds, like milk chocolate or dark chocolate. I like chocolate very much because it's so delicious and makes me feel very happy. Especially when I'm tired. I usually eat chocolate in the afternoon as a quick snack.
Sometimes my mom buys it for me from the supermarket.
I know chocolate is not always healthy, but I love the taste. It's my favorite sweet treat. What's your favorite snack? Hi everyone! My favorite snack is fruit, especially mangoes. Mangoes are usually sweet and juicy, and they are yellow or orange when ripe. I like mangoes a lot because they are super fresh and very healthy. They make me feel cool and energetic, especially on a hot day. I usually eat mangoes in the afternoon after school. Or sometimes as a dessert after dinner. My family and I often share a big mango. I think fruit is the best snack because it's natural, delicious, and good for my body. So, why do I think fruit is the absolute best snack? So next time you're hungry, grab some fruit. It's the best.
It's the best.